how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher error. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you the most general troubleshooting step for you to bypass this kind of issue if you're encountering this problem on Rockstar Games. So the first step is to pull up your Windows search, then type in time. Choose on date and time settings. So this is what actually most people do by making sure that set time automatically is turned on. And then if it is off on your end, you need to turn this on. And after that, choose on sync now by clicking this option here to say sync now so that it will be activated. Now, if it works for you, then that's good. If it's not, then you're going to have to look for the main folder of your Rockstar games. Now, you can go into File Manager. Now, in my case, it was currently placed under this PC, local disk E, and then it is currently inside my Grand Theft Auto 5 folder. Now, you're going to have to delete the Social Club folder right so, and try to relaunch the game. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix Rockstar Games Launcher error.